Hi, I'm Ken Reed. We are now looking at the page number 18 of the DYO Green Building Decision Kit under the main topic of lighting. 18A is general types of lighting. 18B is lighting specs, specifications. 18C is types of light bulbs. We'll look at the newer versions of LEDs plus older options. 18D is lighting technologies for interiors. 18E is lighting technologies for exterior. 18F fixtures, Energy Star fixtures for example, and other types of fixtures. 18G is control systems and strategies. And 18H is accessories for lighting.